Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into an important topic for all you WordPress enthusiasts out there: the difference between duplicate and clone in WordPress. These terms might sound similar, but they have distinct meanings and uses. So, let's clear up the confusion and see how you can use both effectively for your website. First, let's start with what these terms generally mean. In WordPress, duplicating and cloning are often used interchangeably, but they have specific contexts. Duplicating usually refers to copying content within the same website, while cloning can refer to creating a complete copy of a website or a part of it, like a page or post, and sometimes even moving it to another location. Let's break it down further, starting with duplicate. When you duplicate a page or post in WordPress, you are creating an exact copy of that content within the same site. This can be incredibly useful when you want to reuse the structure of a page or post, but modify certain elements without starting from scratch. For example, let's say you have a blog post that you want to reuse as a template for future posts. You can duplicate the existing post and then edit the new one with the updated content. This saves you time and ensures consistency across your site. To duplicate a post, you can use plugins like Duplicate Post by Yoast. Once installed, this plugin adds a clone option under your posts and pages, making it super easy to create duplicates. Now, let's move on to clone. Cloning can mean a couple of things in WordPress. It might refer to duplicating a site or moving a site from one server to another. Cloning can also involve copying a page or post, similar to duplicating, but with more extensive applications. For instance, if you're moving your site to a new domain or setting up a staging environment, you need to clone your entire site. This includes your content, themes, plugins, and settings. One popular plugin for this task is Duplicator. With the Duplicator plugin, you can package your entire site into a zip file, which you can then move to a new location and unpack. This is handy for creating backups, migrating your site, or setting up a test environment. So, to sum it up, duplicating is best for copying individual posts or pages within the same site. It's quick and straightforward, ideal for content templates. Cloning, on the other hand, is used for larger tasks like migrating a site, creating backups, or setting up staging sites. It involves more than just content. You're copying the entire site setup. Both processes can be handled by various plugins, and which one you use depends on your specific needs. For duplicating posts and pages, Duplicate Post by Yoast is great. For cloning an entire site, Duplicator is a powerful tool. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to keep in mind when duplicating or cloning in WordPress. 1. Back up your site. Always back up your site before performing any major changes. This ensures you can restore your site if something goes wrong. 2. Check plugin compatibility. Make sure the plugins you use for duplicating or cloning are compatible with your WordPress version. 3. Staging environment. If you're making significant changes, use a staging environment. This is a clone of your site where you can test changes without affecting your live site. 4. SEO considerations. Be mindful of duplicate content issues. If you duplicate a lot of content, search engines might penalize your site. Always tweak duplicated content to make it unique. 5. Regular maintenance. Regularly update your WordPress themes and plugins to avoid security vulnerabilities. And there you have it. Now you know the difference between duplicating and cloning in WordPress and how to use each effectively. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy WordPressing. See you in the next video.